Hey everybody, my name is Joe, and today I'm going to give a review on a particular credit repair company. Now, a lot of you know you can search the internet, Instagram, YouTube. There's so many sources, and there's so many people out there trying to put in work to help you, and there's a lot of people out there that are just trying to dupe you. Okay, you got to do your due diligence. You just got to look up some things. When you do your research, it comes down to a bottom line. Who's telling the truth? Where's the real results and where's the longevity results? Temporary results to get you where you want to get, but then backfire on you, that's where everybody seems to want to be. I'm going to tell you right now, you did not ruin your credit overnight, so you cannot fix your credit overnight, okay? Think of how long you've had credit, and say you didn't make some payments and you did some things, but you got a prepaid and you got a credit card from Credit One or some other companies because you had bad credit and you still couldn't pay it. Think of how long it took for your credit to get from a pretty good standing to where it is now. It's not overnight. It wasn't in a month. It probably wasn't within 3 to 6 months. I'd say 6 months to a year or even longer, okay? So why would you want credit repair and expect credit repair to be any quicker, okay? Because it's a longer process, because they got to sort through things. It's easy to get a credit card in the mail and accept it and then spend it and then not pay it, okay? So there was 2 companies that I looked at when I got my decision in mind who I wanted to use. First one was Pinnacle Credit, which you've probably seen things on YouTube, heard about, got excited about, the results seemed right. Then you seem to realize how that business talked to you. I never used them personally, almost did, but I would chime in on how customers were treated, what happened with their money, the results, the longevity, you know. Right there, if you're looking for true credit repair, that first initial, like, oh, we can get this done right away, that seems enticing, okay, but when you dig deeper, sometimes when things are too good to be true, it usually ends. The other company was Everything Credit, okay? Seeing on TikTok a little bit, YouTube was big. Watching David Payne do some lives. And I'm like, okay. Now knowing that I'd seen Dave before, I'd been through Dave before, but it was a different process. So I'm like, okay. Dave has stepped up his game, okay? Is he shifting? Is he better than Mr. Nguyen from Pinnacle Credit? Because it'd been a few years. Watching the videos, talking with Dave, I decided to go with Dave, okay? Now, the process has been a little, I can't say rough, but when people expect credit repair, they expect a lot of things. Oh, I want to be able to call Dave right away. He's got to call me back. If he doesn't call back, he doesn't care. These things come into play. But what you have to realize is that the process now with this litigation process is a long process. And like I said, your credit wasn't ruined overnight. It won't get fixed overnight. But if you want it done right, just like cooking ribs out on the grill, like doing your steaks, slow and low. You know, sometimes it takes time, but if you want it done right and you want it done one time, you don't have to worry about coming back going, oh, all of a sudden these things are popping up. It's a one-shot deal. They take care of things, okay? I'm in the process right now. I've been in it for over 6 months. And you put in a little work, but I'm going to tell you the communication and the things that I have seen, I have never seen with any other credit repair company offer or even talk about. But when you go for credit repair and you set your goals and you're like, okay, I'm going to do this with a company or I'm going to do this with a company and attorneys. When you do it by legal stand, when you have the law behind your back, that is the best way to do it. And I'll tell you what, everybody wants fast and now, but you're not going to get the results that will stand forever. Okay, so the process that I've been in with David and the litigation program, they say it takes a year. And guess what, guys? If you want it fixed permanently, you got to give it time. It's like putting things in the garden. You want your tomatoes, your zucchini. You want it. That doesn't happen overnight. Okay, you go to work. You want to raise. You want to work your way up. It just doesn't happen overnight. This is the same with credit repair process. But the prices that people are charging, Dave's does it for free. The lawyers get paid. Okay, when you bring them stuff, they want you to find the mistakes that these companies make on your file, because the more mistakes they find, the more money you make, and the more money they make. There's no other credit repair business that says every time we fix something, you get paid. Okay, it is what it is. You go to Dave and he says, hey, my attorneys are going to find stuff. And when they do, you get paid. The more they find, you get more money. And they get paid more. They are on a contingent basis to where they have to find stuff, and they will, because that's what they do. They're the best in the business. They have to find stuff so they can make more money and make you money. Who do you not want working for you like that? There's no other credit repair business. These credit sweeps and all this other stuff, yeah, they might fix your credit, but guess what? It's going to come back to haunt you. But you didn't make money. You got your credit back, but you didn't make money. Here, your credit gets fixed and you make money. I mean, come on, guys. So, to make this short and sweet, is choosing the right people to do your credit should involve where they talk about litigation, truth, and honesty and transparency. Talking to Dave, I've known him, but this review does not dictate from before, but this is why I went through him again over the other after a couple years, because of the process, and I understand credit. And when you bring something to me saying, if you give us a little more time than the others, you're going to get paid and you're going to get your credit back. I mean, it's a double win. Nobody offers that, but you can't get that without litigation. And Dave, with his sources, who he works with, that's how you want it. They're paying you. Basically, they're saying, give us more time than what you're asking for, because it is a process, and you'll be rewarded for waiting. You'll be rewarded your credit permanently. It can't come back to haunt you. Those credit bureaus and those places, those credit places can't sell to another and they can come back and get you. That does not happen. Once it's off your file, it is gone for life. They guarantee it, and it's through attorneys. So it has to be. It's by law. Not somebody on TikTok, not somebody on Instagram promise you come to me, I'm going to do some things, and then, no. These are attorneys. You sign papers. It's like if you were going to court for a custody battle or you're going to court for a criminal battle. This is how it is. So when you get the law behind you and you get these guys, you know you're going to win, because they're going to take care of your credit and give you money. I mean, it's a win-win situation. The only thing is it takes a little bit longer. Having patience is a virtue. And in this situation, if you trust Dave in the process, which I'm in that process right now, I'm already halfway through. Once I'm done and I see my wife is anxiously awaiting, saying, once we know, let's make it go. And that being said, guys, the review here is, if you trust the process and you want to get paid and you want your credit to be fixed permanently, get a hold of Dave. Let him get things rolling. Give it some time. Okay? And I promise you, at the end of this road, you're going to be like, I'm glad I trusted the process. I'm glad I trusted Dave and his crew. And reviews like this that are true. Like, I'm not getting paid for nothing. This is from the heart, guys. This is what you need. People like me, everyday Joes. My name is Joe. It is what it is. And that being said, I hope all of y'all who see this make the right decision. It's up to you. But if you do, what do you have to lose? Because they're not charging you to fix your credit. You're not paying out of pocket. You're not doing all this crazy stuff. You have no monthly fees, Chad. There's no monthly fees. You just give them the information. They're going to be like, let's just sit and wait. You're going to make money. It's free, guys. What are you doing? You give me something free and say, hold on to this for a year. It's worth $10 now. It'll be worth $10,000 in 365 days. What would you do? You'd put that in a safe. You'd put that locked up. You could be like, I ain't touching this, because they said in a year, we're going to go from this to that for free. Come on, guys. It's a no-brainer. You shouldn't be paying out of pocket to get stuff fixed. You shouldn't be having no monthly fees. And that's the best part. You have nothing to lose. You give them the information, they rock and roll, you communicate back and forth, you let time go by, and the next thing you know, you're making money, your credit's fixed, and bada bing, bada boom. You can't get any easier and truthful. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up this review, but just trust the process. When you trust the process in life anyway, and you have that feeling in your gut that you're like, I'm doing the right thing, I'm holding, you end up winning in the most part. So make sure to reach out to Dave, let him and his crew take care of you, get things fixed, get your financials back, and get you on the right path. And hopefully you don't have to get a hold of them again, because they will let you know how to do some things and keep on the straight path and go from there. So, but if you had to down the road, guess what? You don't have to spend any money. You might make more money this next time than you did this time. So guess what? Fix your credit, make money for free. No brainer. So, thank you.